If you're experiencing login errors on Venmo, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into your account quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Venmo app. Go to your device's app store, search for Venmo, and update if necessary. Step 3. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srec.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you are using the app, clearing the cache can help. Go to your device settings, find the Venmo app, and clear its cache. Then, restart the app and try logging in again. Step 5. Contact Venmo support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Venmo customer support. You can do this through the app or their website for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on Venmo. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.